Alright lovies, so we're starting off with the larger brushes. This brush is the angled brush, also called the contour brush. This is what we use to apply bronzer, contour, blush, and we also use it to highlight the high points on the face. For this brush, in my opinion and experience, it applies bronzer seamlessly, and I would recommend you getting a brush like this. It's very important to have this in your makeup kit. So it is the angled brush, also called a contour brush. This is our face flat brush, also called stippling brush or foundation brush. I use this brush to apply creamy foundation or liquid foundation. As you can see, the top of the brush is very flat, and this is why they call it the face flat brush. This brush is called the flat angled brush. As you can see, the top is flat and it is also angled. It is used to blend liquid or creamy products on the flat area of the face, such as the forehead and cheeks. So creamy products includes liquid foundation, bronzer, or blush. Alright lovies, so unlike the other brushes, flat top brushes, this one is round. I use this to apply and buff powder makeup, normally on the high points of the face, which includes the forehead, under the eyes, the chin, and your cupid bow. Alright, so guys, this is a tapered brush. It is also a foundation brush. You really don't need this brush, but as a beginner, I would recommend you getting this brush. When I'm using this brush, I use it on the side of my nose, my forehead, and jawlines. Right, so the hard to reach areas on your face, this brush is really good to use. Alright lovies, let's get into the smaller makeup brushes. The first one is the blending brush. I mainly use this to blend eyeshadow, primer, or concealer before any makeup application. It can also be used to add eyeshadow to the crease and blend colors effectively. This brush is a must-have. So lovies, next in line is our angled eyeshadow brush. This brush is also called the crease brush. I use this brush for any powder eyeshadow, and its angle is perfect for adding colors to the corner of the eyes to create that fierce look. It is a must-have brush also. This is our classic eyeshadow brush, and this brush is versatile and it's ideal for applying any eyeshadow powder. I use it sometimes to blend and shade the crease. I mean, it is small, but it allows me to push color into the eyelid. I sometimes use it to highlight the brow bone, so you can use it for eyeshadow and you can also use it to highlight the brow bone. This is my concealer brush, and I also call it my versatility brush, because other than applying concealer or cream eyeshadow to my eyelids, it blends areas that bigger brushes seems impossible to reach. So this is a must-have brush and I recommend it. This is a tapered precision brush, also called a tapered or precision brush. The name says it all, right? And with this brush, it smoothens the edges that some brushes cannot reach, like the mouth, the corner of the eyes, nose, and can also be used to add highlights to the brow bones. I love this brush because it is great for smudging eyeliner, and sometimes I use it to draw or apply contour to the nose bridge. So this brush, it has two sides, but I'm going to explain the first side, which is the angle detail side of it, which is the angle detail brush, sorry. This brush I call a filler. Reason why I call it a filler is because I use it to fill the eyebrows when I'm using a pomade eyebrow powder, and sometimes I use it as an eyeliner or to add glitter to specific areas on the eyelid. And the next side is the spoolie brush. This brush can be classified as a small eyebrow or eyelash comb. It blends, shapes, and combs your eyebrows, I use it sometimes to apply mascara. This is the lip brush. I use it to apply lipstick and lip gloss, right? And what you do is apply the product to the brush and then you apply it to your lips. This brush is my last brush and it is my eyeliner brush. I use this brush to apply liquid eyeliner. Can be used in special effects makeup to add fine details. Alright lovies, so now that you are familiar with the different type of makeup brushes and their uses, tell me what you think. So please share your comments in the comment section below. Please remember to subscribe, click that notification bell, like, share, and leave your comment.